Hey there, it's Kylie with WTI.
When you're in the outdoors, it's important to keep your food and drinks cold. And this ICEHOLE soft cooler bag has been my new go-to for just that. This cooler bag can hold up to 24 cans at a 2-to-1 ice to can ratio. If you just want to keep your ice cold, it can hold up to 20 pounds of ice. That's a lot of ice. The inside is completely lined with a thick material that keeps the contents really cold. Whether you put drinks or food in here, I have never had to worry about it getting warm. The outside of the bag has a heavy-duty zipper that prevents leaks. I was skeptical about this, but it really is leak-proof. The material itself is very sturdy, and each seam looks to be meticulously sewn. It's just a really well put together product. I love that I can use either the handle for carrying it, or it comes with this shoulder strap that is very easy to attach. There are also these hooks on the outside of the bag, which I have used to hang my water bottle or other items using a carabiner. I have taken this bag on picnics, on four-wheeling trips, to the river, camping, and it has just held up so well. This bag just screams high quality. It's durable and functional, and it's been awesome in all my outdoor adventures.
And that's my point of view.